Hello YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to follow my friend's car while I'm sitting in it and flying my drone. So I hope you enjoy the upcoming footage. Wish me luck. Cheers. Just from someone who gets motion sickness. I've gotten used to flying with the drone sort of thing. I don't get motion sick, but in that car while flying the drone, especially on bumpy, as soon as it hit bumps, my stomach was churning. That is cool though. It's a different experience, I'll tell you that much. I don't know, I might try another one, or we might just go down there and do a bit of flying. Because this was just down the road, I thought bug it, I'll come down here and do some more bridge fun. Cheers. Yeah, my battery cable's worn into the side of... Shut up, headset. Yes, my battery plug-in to the flight controller has started to cut against the side of the flight controller, and the negative wire, the positive wire is all bare. So I don't want that to weld itself to my flight controller, and fuck it. So yeah, no more flights today. I'm gonna have to take that off and put a new wire on and reposition it, I think. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the little bit of footage I got from today, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed me chasing this car or keeping up with it until I felt sick. Yeah, as soon as we got to the dirt road, I was like, nope, I'm not doing it over that again. The start was enough. But yeah. And I also got 100 subscribers now. Hell yeah, thank you again. Like, give yourselves a big pat on the back, thumbs up, all that. And maybe share to your friends. Yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers. Hello YouTube, I thought I'd come down to my... I just love this spot. I hope you aren't getting bored of it. But I've been doing some freestyle, and I did one speed run which didn't go very well, so I'm going to try and rectify that. Yeah, wish me luck. Cheers. What the fuck? Wow. That was a fucking hard crash. Missing half my quad. Can't take this off either. I'll basically top off one of my motors. Now I'm missing one of my motors completely. Like, it's ripped the fuck out of it. Bloody hell. Well, I'm going to keep looking for this other engine. You never know, I might be able to salvage it, but I doubt it. Hope you enjoyed the epic crash, and yeah, hope you tune in again tomorrow, because I've got another engine at home just in case I don't find this one. So I'll be back tomorrow. Cheers.